How to add clock widget on desktop. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So to be able to have a widget similar to this one over here that we have, as you can see, what you're going to do is you're going to download something called the rain meter. So simply visit rainmeter.net over here and you're just simply going to download this one. You're then going to install that specific installer over here, and you should then be able to see this automatically on your website or your desktop over here. To be able to remove some of this, simply click on right click and click on unload skin, which will automatically remove those. So if there are stuff that you want to keep, you can just drag it to a specific corner. And now for our widget over here, you're just simply going to visit or search for elegant clock in visualskins.com. So you could visit this URL over here, visualskins.com/skin/elegant-clock. And then over here, you can download it directly. There are also other options for you to choose from over here, so feel free to check them out. But after that, simply search in your search bar rain meter and you're going to run your rain meter. And this is what it would look like. Also, after downloading or after you download your clock, you should be able to see this. You're going to double click this and this will appear, which is a skin installer. Simply click on install, which will download that specific skin. Now, in our rain meter over here, it will automatically allow you to view this. So simply click on elegant clock, select the one that you like, click on load, and it should appear on your background, which is, as you can see, this one. So it already replaced the one that I pre-existingly have. So that's basically how you will be able to have a very simple but very cool clock widget on desktop. So if you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.